If you've been looking for a versatile, easy-to-use, and high-quality electric cooking pot, look no further than this Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot with removable pot. Whether you're planning a cozy dinner for two or hosting a grand family gathering, this 3L non-stick electric hot pot is a game changer. With its dual power control, removable pot, and anti-scalding design, it takes your cooking to the next level. Why choose the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot? The Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot offers unmatched flexibility with its dual power control feature. With up to 1,000 watts of power, this hot pot can handle a variety of cooking tasks, from cooking ramen and stir-fried rice to preparing your favorite hot pot dishes or even fried steaks. The power control system allows you to adjust the heat according to your recipe, making it perfect for everything from slow simmering to fast frying. One of the standout features of the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot is its split design, which allows the pot to be easily removed for cleaning. No more worrying about water getting into the machine or struggling to scrub hard-to-reach places. After your meal, simply remove the pot, rinse it, and store it away. This thoughtful design makes maintaining the pot hassle-free, so you can focus on enjoying your cooking rather than cleaning. With a 3-liter capacity, this electric hot pot is ideal for larger meals and gatherings. Whether you're cooking for a big family, hosting a party, or just making a hearty meal for yourself, the 11.6-inch diameter ensures that you have ample space to cook enough for everyone. Its even heat distribution guarantees that your food is cooked to perfection every time, while the high insulation ensures that it retains heat longer, keeping your food warm during meals. Safety is a top priority with the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot. Featuring anti-scalding handles, this pot helps prevent burns, so you can handle it with confidence. The 4 non-slip rubber feet ensure the pot stays securely in place, while the ventilation holes at the base allow for optimal heat dissipation. The tempered glass lid not only adds a touch of elegance to the design, but it also allows you to monitor your cooking without having to lift the lid and disrupt the cooking process. The Dezin electric hot pot is equipped with a PFOA-free non-stick coating, providing a healthier cooking surface. The 100% food-grade coating ensures that your food won't burn or stick to the surface, making it perfect for a variety of dishes. It also allows for easy cleaning and reduces the need for excess oil, so you can enjoy healthier, lighter meals without compromising on flavor. How does the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot compare to other electric pots? When compared to traditional electric pots, the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot stands out in terms of design, versatility, and user-friendly features. While other electric pots may offer limited power options or difficult cleaning processes, the Dezin Shabu pot's removable pot, adjustable power settings, and health-conscious non-stick coating make it a superior choice. It's perfect for anyone who values both practicality and style in their kitchen appliances. Key features: dual power control. Adjust heat up to 1,000 watts for perfect cooking results every time. Removable pot. Simplifies cleaning and storage for a hassle-free experience. 3L capacity. Perfect for cooking large portions for family and friends. Safety features. Anti-scalding handles, non-slip feet, and heat dissipation ensure safety and comfort. Non-stick coating, PFOA-free, easy to clean, and great for healthy cooking. Who should buy the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot? This electric cooking pot is a great option for families. Its large capacity and versatile cooking functions make it ideal for family meals and gatherings. Home chefs. Anyone who loves cooking different dishes like ramen, stir-fry, hot pot, and more will appreciate the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot's versatility. Those who love hosting. If you're someone who enjoys hosting dinner parties or family get-togethers, this electric hot pot will become your go-to cooking companion. In conclusion, the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot is the ultimate kitchen tool for anyone who loves cooking for themselves, their family, or their friends. Whether you're cooking a simple meal or preparing a feast, this pot offers the flexibility, convenience, and safety you need for a seamless cooking experience. Don't miss out on making your kitchen time more enjoyable and efficient. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and get your hands on the Dezin electric Shabu Shabu pot today. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.